In the service bureau industry, we're always called on to possibly use 2-3 different software packages. Customers demands a certain one to be used, we have to use it. And with that, we want to go in there. I want to demo the use of this software for routing purposes. So I got an Altium Designer software up, 16.1.7, and OrCad Pro, which is a 16.6 software. I'm going to run the router on both of those so we can look at how they route and compare the two. I've been told that they're compatible and they're apples for apples, and seeing is believing. I just wanted to demo what I saw. So here we go. I'll go ahead and start this and then probably go on mute so there's no background noise bothering this. But let's go ahead and start this router. And we want to go. And in here I'm going to use a do file, and there's a route do. I've got it set up for the 2-layer board that this is, 2 routing layers and 2 plane layers inside. So we're going to run this on the 2 routing layers. I'm just going to run the do file. I'm not going to take any of these options. We'll just let it run this way and route that. And we'll expand this for details. Pull it over here so you know that won't do any graphics view until at the end on this router. So I'll just leave it lay there. And in 30 seconds it says it's done. So we'll go ahead and close this. And there it is. Let's check that under reports, summary. And sure enough, there we are, 100% routed, no missing connections, and no dangling lines. So that route is done. Now let's go over here and run the Altium router. Auto route. Let's do all. And they've got these pre-set up, I guess, like my do file, default 2-layer. That's what I ran over there. Down here, you notice I got a top and a bottom, and then a power and a ground, just like I did over here. So I'll say route all and let that route. And I'll go on mute. I'm back off of mute. I got to keep this video under 15 minutes or YouTube won't allow me to upload it. We're 7 minutes in and it's still running. I noticed back here on pass 7 and 8, that is where the Cadence OrCad Pro had actually completed it in the 4 seconds, where they were a little over 11% completed in that 4 seconds. The OrCad Pro had actually completed the routes. We're 7 minutes into this with a duration of this video over 10 minutes now. So I hope to finish it at under the 15 minutes that YouTube allows me to upload. Okay, it has completed. I still got enough time, I think, to get this video out. It failed 354. It didn't complete the routing. It's still got 5 problems that would be resolved, but 354 connections not completed. There's the board routes of the two of complete. I'll go ahead and close that down. I would also like to point out that I'm running on, trying to minimize that there. I'm running on an Alienware 18. It's a gamer machine, but those gamers know how to demand good hardware, and I found that these gaming machines make great routing machines also. So with that, the benchmark's complete, and obviously OrCad outperformed Altium in the routing. It's not an apple-to-apple comparison unless you're using crab apples and red delicious as a comparison apple to apple.